Customizable RGB lighting is the easiest way to personalize your hardware, but what if those awesome lighting effects and custom profiles could expand to the rest of your setup? That's where our new CORSAIR iCUE LS100 Smart Lighting Strip Starter Kit comes in, immersing you further into your gameplay and content, and expanding the wide spectrum of custom RGB lighting to your desk and display. The LS100 Starter Kit includes two 450mm and two 250mm diffused addressable RGB LED strips, an external LED controller, an AC wall adapter, a USB cable, and mounting hardware for quick and painless setup. The LS100 Starter Kit can be installed on the back of a display or anywhere on your desk thanks to its flexible mounting solution consisting of adhesive metal plates and magnetic clips. Before installing your LED strips, we first recommend that you clean the surface you'll be installing the strips on. Next, you'll want to place each plate on its respective magnetic clip on the LED strip, with the adhesive side facing away from the strip. This helps to take the guesswork out of aligning the plates one by one on the back of your desk or display. Adjust the spacing of the magnetic clips if necessary, and proceed with installation. Peel the backing off the adhesive side of the plates and set the strip in place on the back of your desk or monitor. Next, remove the LED strip from the plates so you can press firmly on each one to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat this process for each LED strip. If you're installing the LS100 Starter Kit on a monitor, follow this diagram to ensure the strips are in proper order. Remember that the beginning of each strip is a male 3-pin connector. With that in mind, the first LED strip in the chain should be a short 250mm strip along the right side of the monitor, followed by a long 450mm strip along the top of the monitor, another short 250mm strip along the left side of the monitor, and finally a long 450mm strip along the bottom. Once the LED strips are in the correct configuration, you can manage any excess cable with the included plastic cable clips. This will also help hold the LED strips in place. The LED controller installs in a similar manner. Simply attach the magnetic plates, remove the backing, and set within reach of the first strip in our chain. Plug the 3-pin male connector into channel 1, followed by the AC adapter and USB cable. With our installation complete, we can now set everything up in CORSAIR iCUE. If you don't have iCUE installed already, you can download it from corsair.com. If you already have iCUE on your PC, make sure to update to the latest version. Once you're in the iCUE software, click on the tile for the LS100 Starter Kit, click on Lighting Setup, and use the drop-down to set channel 1 to single monitor mode. This mode assumes that we follow the LED configuration diagram from earlier. Other modes are available for dual monitor mode and external LED strips, just in case we want to add accent lighting to our desk through an LS100 expansion kit. Now we'll want to click on Lighting Effects and hit the plus button to add an effect layer. We can change the active effect for this layer by using the drop-down menu. If you've used CORSAIR iCUE enabled devices in the past, you'll notice a new section for ambient lighting. Video lighting, available for single and dual monitor configurations, syncs the LEDs to whatever is being displayed on your screen, while audio lighting acts as a visualizer for audio playing through the default playback device on your system. The Hardware Lighting tab allows us to set up a new default lighting effect that'll kick in when iCUE isn't running, such as when you lock your PC. So we're going to tell the LS100 LED controller to turn the lights off by setting a black static color effect. If you set a different default lighting effect, but need to turn the lighting off, you can also do so by pressing the button on the controller itself. The LS100 takes advantage of many of the other features we've grown to love with iCUE, such as Lighting Link and Instant Lighting, to easily sync up all your iCUE-enabled hardware and peripherals. And that's it! The LS100 Starter Kit immerses you further into your gameplay, music, and content with vibrant ambient lighting modes powered by iCUE. For more information about the LS100 Starter Kit or the LS100 Expansion Kit, go check them out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.